Alright, so we're going to replace the transfer belt. First thing we want to do is turn off the machine, open the front door. The switch is right here to the off position. First thing, rotate that to the right, unscrew this thumb screw. You just have to slide it out to about there. Second, we have a Phillips head screw to remove that completely, rotate to the left and pull out. Come over to the side here, open on the gray handle. We're going to undo these two peach colored thumb screws on the fuser and pull this straight out. Set that to the side. Now we have this connection on the door. You pull out this E-clip and just set that wherever. And then on this side, rotate to the right or to the left to the service position. And then we have two screws here, one there, one over here. This bracket comes out. Make sure you note how that comes out, the teeth down. And the same on this one, those teeth are down. And then to unlock the transfer belt, you have this little gray piece. You just pull towards you. And then pull this out. And to put it back in, you have this silver piece here and this little black nub down here at the bottom. They go into these and slide directly in.